Oh my gosh. Kia ora.
안녕하세요.
This is Daniel and Ashley, and in this video we are about to reveal our baby's gender. Woo! Yeah.
Wow, it smells good.
It smells nice. Anyway, so we've actually received this envelope about a month ago when we had a scan, and we wanted to do like a little special surprise, but we actually haven't got to do it till today because we've been quite busy.
So we just wanted to have like a little surprise, and we gave this to one of our friends, and she made this cake for us.
This is amazing.
So just want to say thanks to Suji.
Thank you so much.
This is really beautiful. Looks awesome.
Yeah, looks delicious too.
So we don't know what's in here, and
Obviously she knows.
yeah, she knows. But yeah, so what do you think, boy or girl?
But I don't know why, but I've been feeling that it's a girl. I have no reason. People ask me why I think that, but like I don't know. I just feel like it's a girl.
Yeah.
How about you?
Well, I mean, from the like Instagram and Facebook comments, I saw more boys than girls. But I don't know. Can be a girl or boy.
Yeah. That's true. There's only
yeah.
two, you know.
Yeah. But I think, I don't know. It can be a girl, maybe one. Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah. So yeah.
We'll find out
We'll find it out. So
in a sec.
okay. Do you want to say anything else?
I don't know. I'm a little nervous now.
Yeah,
Are you sweating?
Sweaty. Yeah, quite nervous.
All right.
Okay. So now is the time.
Okay. So I actually don't know how to cut this. How should I cut it?
I don't know.
On the side? Or do you want to cut it in the middle?
Oh, maybe from here, but all from here. Okay, this is hard. Okay.
How should we cut this?
Maybe from the back.
Back?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we can cut a little piece, and we'll find it out, and you guys will find it out later. Okay, go.
Oh my gosh.
Still can't see.
Yeah, we need to... Do you want to cut the other side?
Okay. Here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now is the time.
Ah!
Oh.
It's hard.
It's hard. What do I wanna?
Oh,
Oh,
no.
oh.
Oh, Ben!
Oh. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, the decoration is breaking.
Oh no.
Okay. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
No.
Okay.
Oh, I think it's a girl. Ah, I was right.
Pink.
We didn't.
It is, right?
We didn't cut it properly, but it's pink. Everyone, can you see? We didn't cut it properly.
Okay.
Hold on.
So that you can see it. You see the color inside? Yep. So it's a girl.
Yay!
So yeah. Now I'm saying this, but I want it to be a girl. Yeah. 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 What about you?
I guess I don't know. I was really quite certain that it's a girl, but I think I wouldn't have mind if it's a boy. But I mean, my parents-in-law, like Daniel's parents, wanted to have granddaughter, so I guess they'll be very happy.
I think it's mainly because I'm the only son.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's cool.
Mm.
Yeah. Wait, let's turn this again.
Yeah.
It's quite heavy. So now I'm in my 27 weeks in pregnancy, and yeah, it's been quite tough, I think, because I had quite a bad morning sickness, so I lost a lot of weight in the first trimester. Now I'm eating well and I'm feeling better, but it hasn't been very easy, I think. How about you? How did you feel about
Well,
stuff?
I guess because it's our first baby, so it's everything's quite new. What we're going through, emotionally and mentally, and yeah, I really felt like, because when Ashley's unwell and going through all this, I kind of felt I can't really do much. Like, I don't know what to do. Still, I feel like that. I don't know what to do. How can I support her? I think that was the main challenge for me. And I guess maybe when this baby come out to the world, I still don't know what to do. So we got to learn and study, and everything's just new. So yeah, I guess I'm quite nervous still.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, I think with pregnancy, you think you know a bit, but then there are a whole bunch of new stuff that we need to study and learn. So I guess it is going to be an ongoing thing. But yeah, should be okay, I guess.
Yeah, you're doing well. So.
Yeah, so please pray for my health, and also that it's the baby's coming end of March, so it's really soon. So yeah, pray for my smooth delivery and everything will go well.
So yeah, just wanted to share this with you guys, since you wanted to know, and with your support, and we've been really,
we've been blessed.
We've been really blessed. Came all this way. So yeah, thank you for watching.
Yeah.
And we'll come back with new videos next year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Bye. Okay. Actually wanted to know what's inside this thing.
Yeah, let's open it.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. So there's this little scan.
Whoops.
Yeah, you can't see it. And then this little card saying, oh, you can't really see it, but it says, okay, let's see if you can see this. Yeah, so it says it's a girl. So I guess they've been doing this.
Oh.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay, now we'll eat this cake.
It's all mine.
Okay, bye.
Bye.